Before we start, there is one thing we want you to know. We do not want your money. In fact, we want to pay you. We want you and everyone you know to join and unite with us. The more people join, the more sustainable our planet will become, and millions are joining. Just tell others to join, and for every person who joins, you get paid. How much will you get paid? Just use our calculator. Enter how many of your friends you think will sign up. You even get paid when they sign up their friends. The more you get paid, the more you help make our planet fair and sustainable. Where does all this money come from? It comes from all the companies that already spend billions of dollars on advertising with Google, Facebook, and others. At Be United, you get that money. They pay us, and we pay you. Be United is uniting millions of people. Together, we are becoming every company's biggest customer. As the biggest customer, we get companies to make our planet more sustainable. Big customers also get big discounts. So do we. As a Be United member, you receive lower prices on things you were already buying, and you get 10%, 20%, even 30% of savings. What if you could get paid to save the planet and save money at the same time? Would you say yes and join? Of course you would. So will everyone else. So join, tell your friends, make our planet more sustainable, and get paid doing it.